Kilograms of mango, 2 cups of sugar, 1 lemon, 2 little brushes of cinnamon, 50 grams of gelatin, and 3 spoons of vanilla. 1. Grab the mature mangoes, clean them, peel them, and spread the pulp from the bowl.
2. Place the mango pulp to the pot and later put the fire on. When there's heat, we add the sugar, lemon, cinnamon, and gelatin dissolved in water.
The step of the jam is smash the mango while it's on fire until obtaining the sugar mixture, around half an hour.
4. Once the mango changes its color to a more orange color, we remove it from the fire and let it cool 10 minutes. Then, lastly, we put it on a jar.
300 grams of flour, 160 grams of water, 5 grams of instant bakery yeast, 20 grams of olive oil extra virgin, 1 teaspoon of salt, 200 grams of tomato sauce, 100 grams of mozzarella cheese, 100 grams of ham. First step. In a bowl, put all the dough ingredients: flour, water, olive oil, and salt. Then we stir it with a spoon. The amount of water will be approximately from the half of the dough.
Step 2. We start to knead the dough. We spread the dough and pick off with the palm of your hands until getting a dough that doesn't get sticking on the hands or the table. It's elastic and a fine dough between 5 and 10 minutes will be more than sufficient. Step 3. Let's ferment the covered mass. The object is that of double the volume. We let it, and when they double the volume, we continue to the next step.
Step 4. When the dough grows enough, we nearer returns to its initial volume. We stretch it with our hands or with a rolling pin. It can be the way it is.
Next, we put the ingredients. First the tomato, then the cheese, and then the rest of the things to be added. And for the last step is the oven. With the oven prepared to a minimum of 230 Celsius, we put the pizza. Using a tray, we bake it for 10 to 10 minutes until still it's slightly cooked and done.